How to use Pixelcut Photo Editor Technology 0.5. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to use Pixelcut Photo Editor Technology 0.5. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So you can actually use this on your iPhone and also on your Android. You just need to search for Pixelcut right here, which is the logo of this right here. So after you have downloaded it, you can just click on open right here and it will proceed to this page right here. So in here you can do a lot of things. You can remove the background, you can have AI photo shoot, magic eraser, batch edit, collage, black project, and all of that. So if you want to create a new project, you can just click on the plus icon on the bottom, and then from in here you can see all the photos or all the albums that you have. So for example, for me, I will use this photo right here, and then from in here I can make a cutout, I can erase, photo shoot, filter, upscale, or resize it. So let's click on this open in editor, and you can see it. Here's our editor. We can add some text right here and just click on this right here in order to successfully add it, just like that. You can also add shadows, reflections, and all of that. You can add backgrounds, stickers, shapes, logos, QR code, and also. So let's just describe it right now. So from here, let's do this AI photo shoot. So from here, you can just click on picture again, and it will analyze the image, and you can add in some things like this, for example the scenes, in order to add some AI scenes right here on our picture. So you can see that you have a lot of scenes to choose from here, and you can just generate that. So let's leave this for now. And from in here, you can also remove the background. So click on this right here, and then just select a photo that you want to use to remove the background. So for example, let's use this one right here. And as you can see, it will locate this photo, and as you can see, the background has been removed. You can also open this in editor and then add in shadows if you want to add. So let's exit this for now. You can also click this magic eraser right here, and then let's choose a picture. So you can just click on something and it will be erased. So let's try that. So let's remove this $5 right here. As you can see, it has been removed. So as you can see, that is how to use Pixelcut Photo Editor Technology. If you have questions and comments, kindly put in the comment section below. Thanks.